Alright, what up, Pup gang? What's up, everybody? Back with another video, y'all. I got it. I know I'm supposed to do my tip time. I'll explain, though. I'm going to say grace, and I'm going to say, Heavenly Father, thank you for the food I'm about to receive. In Jesus' name, I pray, man. Yeah, I ain't do chip challenge because, as you can see, they had, I forgot all about, I forgot that we had to move all that furniture yesterday, and then it took longer than what it was supposed to. We started kind of late, and we ain't finished till like around 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna do it today, though. My bad about yesterday, but I got me some Popeye chicken, y'all, and that's what I'm eating with a little bit of B-Love hot sauce. Just a little bit. And some red beans and rice. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Chicken so good. And they didn't send all the furniture either. They should some of it had to get ordered. So I guess they gotta get it from another location. Huh. Well, she can explain better than I can, y'all. Well, even though every piece didn't come, she still missing the table. And this table only came with 4 chairs. And we thought it came with 6. But I guess not. Woo! Woo, the sauce is hot. But I'm on that chip challenge tonight, y'all. I wanted to do it last night. I couldn't even do a video. I ain't had nowhere to sit. It was empty in here. Wasn't nothing in here. Okay, I'm switching to Tabasco sauce now, y'all. That's hot too. Yeah. You don't have to wait till I'm done. Y'all here finna start barking. Cut it out. Well, hey, wait. Wait. Mm. 7 o'clock tonight, y'all. I'm gonna go live and get ready for this chip challenge. See how hot it is. Woo, hold on, yeah. I need something else to drink. Got a lemonade right here. Ooh, excuse me. Add me some Kool-Aid to the lemonade. Okay. That's better. There ain't nobody at that door. Woo! Look at this. Just a little. Just a little. This stuff had you sweating badly. Okay, y'all, wait. Mm. Woo. That was good. I haven't had popeyes in a while, y'all. Woo! Every time you try to go to Popeyes, the line be full. That's good. I added some Kool-Aid to my lemonade. All right, y'all. Come on. Barking. What you barking for? I want somebody to pick you up. You spoiled. Oh. Mm-mm. Well, anyway, y'all. Woo. I'm bored. What time is it? It's still early. What time is it? Oh, it's almost 3. Well, it ain't that early. In a few more hours. Oh, excuse me. I'll be going live. Doing this hot chip challenge. Move, y'all. Oh. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. I know it'll probably be hot. That's the only thing I have to worry about, the heat. Because I know it's gonna burn. Like, if I eat too much of that, and be love hot sauce, that'll burn my mouth. Well, I have to cool my mouth off before I start talking again. It be that hot. I don't know how hot that chip is, if it's hotter than that, but I'm finna find out though. I've been wanting to try this chip for a minute. And I got it, so now I'm finna do it. Let's see what it is. You don't say hi, puff gang. That was bad. See ya. Say I ain't big. You ain't big. But anyway, y'all. I was just doing this video. I was trying to let y'all know what happened yesterday and why I ain't get to go live and do the chip yesterday. I was gonna do, like I said, do a video. It got late though. And it was too dark for me to do a video in my car and stuff, so I just waited until the furniture came. And they still ain't bring all the furniture. They ain't bring the table or nothing. Guess they gotta wait till they get it shipped from the warehouse. But like I said, Cindy will tell y'all that story because she know what's all missing. It was a couple of things missing that they ain't bring that they were supposed to bring today. So, but anyway, yep, and moving that furniture, that was a lot. But we got it done. We got everything up out of here. Yesterday it took the whole day, but it got done though, y'all. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get up out of here. Like I said, I'll be coming at y'all with the hot chip challenge live around 7. What time? Yep, around 7. I'll be doing it. But anyway, guess I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. I didn't get full off this popeye. But I'll be on. I'm glad to talk to y'all in a few hours. It's already 3, I think. If I ain't mistaken, like 3 something. Or 2 something like that. But I'll be seeing y'all in a minute. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. And me and Yaya see y'all later on in our live, right, Yaya? Say see you later, Puff gang. Peace, love, and hair grease. Love, y'all. Peace. You go peace? Say peace. Well, anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see y'all in a minute with a live and this hot chip challenge. And y'all have a safe, blessed day out there. It's the weekend. I hope everybody having a good Saturday. But anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all be safe and blessed. Peace, y'all. Love.